we actually focus on the one thing that we're good at, a nation of shopkeepers, and get back to our core roots of sort of how our country was built and how it became successful, and that includes having sort of a manufacturing base, um, then I think that you'll see a steady progression, and other countries will start to gravitate back towards us and their industries and want to open places of business here. But as I say, if we get caught up in the side shows, like the horror show that is the Ukraine war, or even sort of Palestine, or sort of
Yeah.
the Iranian war, all these sort of corrosive um, situations of various parties taking a pop at each other, been taking a pop at each other in some cases for thousands of years. That drives people away from those regions and to here. So we don't need to replicate that. What we need to provide is a stable, safe platform for people to live, to coexist. And then if we do that, then the attitude will turn away from sort of looking at each other from a perspective of difference.